If you are not getting customers with your marketing, your problem isn't your marketing. There's a deeper reason why people who see your promotion are choosing to stay away from you. And if you don't fix it, continuing to make this mistake could cost you your entire business. It is not that your marketing is bad. Your marketing is attracting people. The bad news is you are not attracting the right people to your business. And if you stick around, you'll learn why your marketing isn't working to grow your business despite reaching a lot of people, and how to fix it to increase your revenue. Instead of wasting your time and money just increasing your followers or views without that translating into increased sales. It's true, most business owners get this wrong. That's why they have so much trouble attracting more customers, building a base of repeat clients, and growing. Most businesses that do this wrong don't last 5 years or even less. They work incredibly hard on their marketing, invest money, and get exposure from many people, but they don't receive a predictable number of customers or revenue, or one that's proportional to the effort they've put in. The bad news is this is happening to you. The good news is it's possible to fix it, and I can tell you how. When you do your marketing well, you see a proportional and immediate response. Customers don't shy away from you, nor do they force you to humiliate yourself to get them to buy from you. The mental trap you are currently in is that, yes, your marketing is working. You place an ad, run a campaign, or collaborate with others, and many people become aware of your business. But getting a lot of people of all kinds to know about your business isn't what's truly important for doing business. And above all, it's not the most important thing for getting more customers. This isn't solved by paying for more ads, nor it is solved by doing more collaboration. I repeat, your problem isn't that your marketing isn't making you known to many people. It is. The problem that prevents that attention from converting into customers and revenue for you is that the profile of the person you are reaching isn't your ideal customer profile, the one who is interested in paying you for your product or service. They are just curious people, they put attention on you, but they are not the type of people interested in growing with your business. If you are wondering if you still have time to fix this mistake, the answer is yes. But to attract the people who will have a genuine interest in your business, you need to know what to say, how to say it, why to say it, and what to avoid saying or taking a stand against. If you do this correctly, that ideal customer profile, eager to pay you for your product or service, will stop resisting you and will begin to be drawn to you like an irresistible magnet. The key to attracting the right person, which will make selling with your business much easier, is having a customer-oriented business strategy. Your brand, all your business communication, and even how you describe your product offerings, everything must be customer-oriented. This is how you make your business a magnet that attracts the attention of the right people, making them eager to buy from you and not your competition. You already knew you had to achieve this. What's been holding you back is knowing exactly what to say, how to say it, why to say it, and what to avoid saying at all cost, and how to apply it to achieve this effect in your own business. To give you this insight, I've created the Customer-Oriented Business Strategy System, which you can access from the link below, and start achieving this for your business with a roadmap and a personalized strategy tailored to you, containing all these details. To help you get started, I'm going to tell you the 3 most important keys you need to implement right now to stop just attracting any attention to your business and start attracting those potential customers who are eager to buy from you. The first thing you should know about your ideal customer is: what are his beliefs and morals? Knowing this allows you to address them specifically, making your brand and business feel like they were made for your ideal customer profile. This will make it much easier for him to build a relationship with you that eventually leads to doing business together. A key piece of information you need about your ideal customer is what his pain points are. When you address them with your product offerings, you can make him feel that your product is specifically designed to give him the benefit, advantage, or solution to the exact problem he has. You won't just be offering generic results, you'll be addressing the exact pain point he is willing to pay you to solve. What do your customer not want? This is just as important as knowing what he wants. Knowing this will help you position yourself as the business that will not give him that under any circumstances. If your ideal customer finds a business that will give him what he is looking for, explicitly avoiding what he doesn't want, don't you think he'll be much more attracted to learning about, trusting, and buying from that business? He'll feel that the creator of that business knows exactly what he wants and how he wants it, and that business has to be you. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can have all the information you've always wanted about your ideal customer, the exact words and phrases to use, where your ideal customer is looking for solutions like the ones you offer with your products, so you can position yourself precisely there. And even which specific products he is looking to buy, so you know how to tailor your offerings to make them fly off the shelves. You'll feel like a stalker who knows everything about your customers. And by using all this information to promote your business, you'll stop attracting mere onlookers and start attracting customers. Do you know how much money you've been losing by not using this in your business? Probably more than you think. The sooner you implement your own customer-oriented business strategy customized for your business, the sooner your efforts will pay off. The sooner you'll see the results you've been missing out on all these years. Just click the link below, get your personalized customer-oriented strategy in minutes, and go to the first video coaching lesson that will guide you on how to apply that customer information in practice, attracting your ideal client like a magnet and making him eager to do business with you. I've used this system in my own businesses and in multiple others that I've coached to break through stagnation and unlock new growth, knowing exactly what I've done to achieve it and what isn't working. That's why I've developed it into this system, so you too can stop making the mistake of trying to attract everyone and reap the benefits of making decisions with a customer-oriented strategy. Your customers will love you and you'll get more of what you want for your business. It's a win-win. Do you prefer a thriving, profitable business or a large number of people who know you but will never buy from you? You have to make this decision and adjust your marketing, communication, and product offerings to become irresistible to your ideal customer and get more of what you want through your business. Don't just attract the attention of people who don't value what your business can do for them. To get the most out of what you've just learned, you need to understand the other reason your business is stagnating and what you can do to prevent it. You can't solve problems you don't know you have. Just as you can't give your customer what he wants, the way he wants it, if you don't have that detailed information. In the next video, you'll discover another blank spot that's holding you back, undermining your efforts, and how to correct it to drive new growth for your business, capitalizing on your momentum and using it to boost your growth. See you there!